My Profile is your personal lobby where you can view your personal details, bank and DP details, and your account details. All this information is secured and in no case shared with any other third-party agencies. Hey, you can also add your photo by clicking one instantly or choosing from your existing ones. Trading should be well documented, and for the same reason, we have reports. You will find Fund Summary, Security Holdings, and other reports of transactions. Fund Summary shows you transaction summary up to date. Under Security Holdings, you can view a summary of your total holdings in a detailed format. Here, you can also make your security payouts to your Demat account. Under the tab of Transactional Reports, you email various menu of report type like Ledger, Funds Transaction, DP Transactions, Auction Details, Trade History, P&L Summary, Contract Notes, and more. You can also view your transactions and email reports for your records. Documentation Folio is like a folder that keeps a record of your investments across various asset types like equity, mutual funds, FNO, commodity, and currency. You can view the total value, total unrealized gain loss, and day gain loss for all types of investments. Just click on a stock to view the stock summary and transaction related to that stock. You can buy more shares and sell it in a few clicks. You can click on More. View further details in the form of intraday and historical charts. Latest news of the company, ratios, suggested ideas, and current quote of that share. Now with Angel Broking app, you can create family level portfolio too. To add a stock manually from a non-Angel account, click on Add, select a script, enter details and submit. Once added, the manual transaction gets added to the non-Angel transactions. You can check the ARC score for your equity and MF portfolio by clicking on EQ Portfolio Score. You can improve your score with just a couple of clicks, which will sell stocks of low score and buy best ones as per ARC. Which stock to buy, which not to. These are the tips a trader is constantly looking out for. My recommendations will have all those recommendations which have been auto-selected by Angel for you. Under Stock Ideas, all stock suggestions are published by our award-winning advisory team. The ideas are divided into fundamental, technical, derivative, and are available instantly once generated. You can view details of a stock by clicking on it and also know whether the stock is good for short and long term, intraday cash, short or long term option. If all looks good, you can buy the stock in a few clicks. We may forget our passwords. In case it happens with you, just follow these 2 simple steps. Click on Help on the login page. Enter your client ID, mobile number and click Submit. We will instantly send a new password on your mobile number via SMS. After you enter the received password, you would need to enter a new one. Click on Submit to set your new password. Once logged in, the app remembers you and allows you to access all sections apart from trading. Easy, isn't it? Self-assessment is important. Get Code section lets you know your stock performance in the form of charts and technical studies of each individual script. You can view live, intraday and historical charts in a span of last 5 years. You can also plot line, area, OHLC and candlestick charts that best suit your requirement. Over 40 overlays and indicators help you understand market movements for those who are technically inclined. In markets, you can keep a watch on certain stock companies that you intend to deal with in future. Derivative and commodity traders can add different types of stock to My Watchlist section. You can select a stock by searching the list and select one. Select the product as per the expiry date, or you select by call or put option with different strike rates. To place an order for a derivative, click on Buy. Enter your lot size and other details. Click on Submit to preview your order and confirm. Click on Order Status to view your order. Now let us explore ARC, the hyper-intelligent investment engine. ARC is your Google to investments. It guides you at all steps in whatever you do to help you make the right decision. To start with, ARC requires you with a few details to understand your risk-taking appetite. Based on your responses, you'll be recommended a portfolio suggesting equity, debt, mutual fund schemes, and gold ETF. And based on your given investment amount, you will be suggested to take your equity exposure through ARC-directed stocks or through ARC-directed equity mutual funds. You may explore various schemes and stocks before placing your order. You can review your order before confirming it. Let's begin trading. First, log into the app. You'll be redirected to the market. This is where your major activities take place. Here, you can choose stocks of your interest and add them to your watch list. Now, let us buy the stock. For example, Allahabad Bank. Tap on it to reveal the options. You can directly buy or sell from here or click on More to view details of the stock. Navigate through the carousel to get the detailed insight of the selected stock. After being completely certain about the stock, click on Buy. Fill up the various details in order pad, number of shares, order type, product type, validity, and choose between normal order and stop loss order, and click Submit. Preview all the details on the preview page and then confirm the order. You can view the status of your order from here and await confirmation. Congratulations! You have just bought a stock. You can choose to invest in mutual funds through ARC Mutual Funds. As per your responses to ARC's inquiries, you'll be recommended a basket of mutual fund schemes. You can select the one or more best suited and enter the buying process. Enter the amount you wish to invest. You can divide the amount if more than one mutual fund is selected. Read the terms and conditions carefully before proceeding. You can check the order status and await confirmation. Congratulations! You are now a mutual funds investor. You can also invest individually into stock or mutual fund ARC. Again, based on your responses, ARC will recommend a bucket of stock for you to invest in. You can buy the stocks from the suggested list and watch it grow from time to time. Health Check is your in-house doctor that does a complete health checkup of your investments and helps improve your portfolio score. Health Check evaluates your portfolio holdings and gives an overall ARC score to your equity and mutual funds. It also suggests how you can improve the scores by recommending which equity and mutual fund to sell or buy immediately. Choose your investment-related options. Enter the amount you want to invest and click on Submit to view your order. Click on Submit to confirm your order and also preview it. Click on Confirm to buy all selected stocks. Congratulations! You just bought a stock. In the trading section, you can view your order status. Check your positions. View all your existing holdings. Check your limits under various segments and transfer your funds via UPI or through 40+ banks to and from your account.